Blake Plateau, a southern treasure. Yeddi, disya, Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. The water bring we, and the water going to take we back. In the Gullah Geechee Nation, this proverb is often spoken, going back into the water to face the motherland, from which many of the ancestors of native Gullah Geechees came, would require a trip across the Blake Plateau. As deep-sea divers seek to find the shipwrecks of enslavement vessels or seek to lay underwater tributes to the ancestors that didn't survive the crossing of what is referred to as the Middle Passage, imagine coming to see creatures that are akin to the Gullah Geechee indigenous traditions throughout the Sea Islands. The Gullah Geechee Nation, they're from Jacksonville, North Carolina, to Jacksonville, Florida, and just off the coast. The tuna and the shark ride the Gulf Stream current, which is likely the same vital force that was ridden by the vessels for decades. Amidst the sorghum, seaweed meadows swim baby flounders and croaker that are often a part of the Gullah Geechee cuisine. This space serves as not only a nursery for them, but for the turtles that at some point will emerge like ancestral spirits from the waters of the Atlantic and leave their imprints and sometimes their tears in the sands of the Sea Island shorelines. The colorful array of the deep-sea corals harkens to the vibrant, colorful environment in which native Gullah Geechees thrive. Yes, there is truly a natural kinship with what lies beneath the Atlantic Ocean and what lies in the depths of the souls of Gullah Geechees. Thus, protecting and saving the Blake Plateau is like saving a critical historic underground landmark that also serves as a nurturing element to the spirits of the Gullah Geechees. It is likely not only the ecological space of the Richardson Reef, the Central Blake Knolls, and the Million Mounds. It is also the ancestral resting place where the blood and bones of Gullah Geechee ancestors have contributed to the growth of this tremendous ecological area. This watery refuge has cloaked these spiritual treasures until such a time as this, and they now call out for Blake's story to be told on and throughout the lands. The water bring we, and the water brought us together to learn from the Blake Plateau, and we must now be the millions that share the story and honor of the cultural heritage communities that reside just miles away from the sacred space. We have a unique opportunity to protect the rich and vulnerable resources of the Blake Plateau from harmful activities now by safeguarding the still wild and largely intact ecosystems of the Blake Plateau from the extractive activities. We can ensure the health of this amazing place for generations to come.